everyone, I am Master Daisy from Balloon Daisy Clown, and today I'm going to show you how to tie a balloon like a pro. If you are a beginner, this is the first skill you need to master. First, leave a little bit of the neck uninflated. This gives you room to work. Next, stretch the neck and drop it firmly around your index and middle fingers to create a loop. Bring it forward and pinch it between your index and middle fingers. Now, pull the loop up and over the nozzle. Pro tip: now here's the secret. If your fingers hurt, you might be pulling too tight. Relax the tension just a bit. And there you go. Your balloon is tight. Was this helpful? Let me know in the comments. If you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. We have plenty of step-by-step instructions for beginners just like this one. See you soon, bye, and stay twisted!